Are you an independent artist or a record label? We have an exciting announcement for you. Showbiz Music Academy is proud to present a groundbreaking new series called Musician Do It Yourself (DIY). This series is specifically designed to provide comprehensive step-by-step tutorials that empower musicians to take control of their careers and accomplish various tasks independently. It doesn't matter if you're an artist signed to a label or a self-managed musician. These tutorials will guide you through crucial aspects of the music industry. Here is a glimpse of what we are going to cover. Learn the process of claiming your Spotify for Artists account, granting you access to valuable insights and promotional tools. 2. Claiming your Apple Music Artist account. Discover the steps to claim and manage your artist profile on Apple Music, allowing you to connect with fans and have full control over your music presence. 3. Uploading songs, EPs, albums, and podcasts on digital stores. Receive a detailed guide on how to upload your musical creations to various platforms, ensuring that your music reaches a wider audience. 4. Applying for verification on Deezer. Unlock the benefit of having a verified artist profile on Deezer, which will significantly enhance your visibility among potential fans. 5. Verification and monetization on AudioMark for record labels or music management groups. Gain valuable insight on getting verified and maximizing monetization opportunity on AudioMark, specifically targeted for record labels and music management groups like MD Music Group. 6. Running successful social media advertising campaign for songs promotion. Discover the secret to effectively promote your music through targeted social media advertising campaigns. 7. Step-by-step guide to crowdfunding for your music project. Acquire valuable knowledge on running a successful crowdfunding campaign to support your music project. 8. Best practice for DIY merchandising creation. Discover the tips and tricks for creating and promoting your own merchandise, enabling you to establish a strong brand identity and generate additional revenue. Rest assured, these tutorials are 100% practical, meaning you can immediately put the knowledge into action to benefit your music career. To stay updated with this historic journey, make sure to subscribe, follow, and like Showbiz Music Academy. Join us as we equip musicians with the tools and knowledge they need to thrive in the ever-evolving music industry. Stay with us as we embark on this journey together. Goodbye.